How to register on the Shein app. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can easily open up a new account on Shein. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is open up your Shein app, and for that you can just go ahead and open up your Google Play Store to make sure that your app is up to date. If you see an update button available here instead of open, make sure to tap on it to update the app. Now you can just open up the application, and from here, if you are already logged in, you will see your name on the top, but if you're not, you'll have an option to sign in or register. If you've previously logged in with your account, it will show up right here. But if you want to register to a new account, you can tap on it. So from here, you can just enter your new email address. And once you do that, you can tap on continue. Now you'll just have to create a new password. This is my old account, so it is asking me to enter my password, but if you are trying to open up a new account, it will show you to enter a password. So go ahead and create a strong password for your account that includes different combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. And once you do that, simply tap on sign up. Then you'll just have to verify your account on your email, and then you're good to go. So I'm just going to enter my password right here to show you guys how it looks when you log in. As you can see here, I have successfully logged into my account. So if I just go back to my home page, here it is giving me a reward for logging back in, so I'm just spinning the wheel to get free coupons. So as you can see here, I've just won a coupon worth $200. So go ahead and tap on continue. So if you are a new user, Shein will provide you with these kind of various coupons that you can use on checkout. And that's how you can easily create a new account on Shein. Hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.